everyone, my name is Amber Frederick, and thank you for joining my YouTube page. Today I want to introduce to you Duolingo. Duolingo is a free web-based software that allows you to learn another language other than your own. When you first go into Duolingo.com, it'll tell you, it'll give you the option of what language you want to learn and what is your primary language. My primary language is English, and I selected that I want to learn Spanish. However, you can select the courses that you want. See here, I speak English, but you can choose whether you want to learn Spanish, French, German, Russian, Japanese, Italian, Korean, Portuguese, Chinese, and the list goes on. Okay, and guys, this is a free program. Okay, and as you move on to Spanish, it tells me where I am at. You can create a profile, but you don't have to. I have a daily goal. Create a profile, which will it'll actually keep my information, such as my progress. You choose your path. So if I'm a beginner, I start at an introduction. If I'm an advanced learner, then I take a test. And then it'll place you in the spot you need to be. I do not know much Spanish whatsoever, so my selection would be intro. And then it'll start with the basics. Okay, so as you click on each one, it says it wants you to select the word for the woman. So you'll click on it,
La niña,
and it'll tell you exactly what it is in that language.
la mujer, el niño,
Okay, so obviously if you're selecting the woman, you're going to go by the picture that looks like the woman. So I'm going to choose
la
this.
mujer,
La mujer is the woman. You're going to check it. It's going to tell you you're correct. And continue on. Then you want to select the word for the boy. Well, obviously the boy is this one, so you click on it.
el niño,
El niño is the boy. I mean, as you're, assuming. You check it. It tells you you're correct. You continue on.
yo soy una mujer,
Okay, so write this in English. So we know that this is
mujer,
the woman.
una,
This could mean one.
soy,
I mean, I'm or I am.
yo,
And yo could be I or me. So I
soy,
am
una,
a
mujer,
woman. Okay?
yo soy una mujer, yo soy una mujer,
You press that, it'll say the
yo,
whole thing.
mujer,
And then you will know that it means I am a woman. And you can practice saying it. Check it. Continue on. I'm going to select the word for the man. So this, we know is a boy. This we know is a girl. So the man's going to be this
el
one.
hombre,
El hombre. Check it. It's correct. Then the girl. So la mujer, we did already. El hombre is the man, we did already. So the girl is la
la
niña.
niña,
We check it and continue.
Yo soy un hombre.
So,
Yo soy un hombre.
yo soy un hombre. Not very good at Spanish. I'm working on it. But from the last sentence, we learned that this means I am a. And then we learned that hombre is a man. So, I am a man. Check it. Continue.
la niña,
We learned
la,
la means the, his or her.
niña,
Niña, we learned girl, child, daughter. The gender is feminine.
la,
So it is the girl. And it says your lesson's complete and you can continue on. And then if you haven't created a profile, you can create one right now and then continue learning for free. This is a really pleasant learning experience for alternate languages. Of course, you would have to stay dedicated to it, but it could also be great to use in the classroom for downtime, to keep students engaged in learning whichever language you're teaching, whether it be French or Spanish or any other language that may be taught in school nowadays. But please do, if you have the time, to check out Duolingo.com and start and see how pleasant the experience can be for you.